Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Professor Aute PV, Senior Lecturer in Physics, Jain Polytechnic, Kuranjunar. Today I am here with an important subject, Basic Physics, which is common to all branches for MSBT Semester 1. Let us start with Chapter 1, Units and Measurement. The first part in this video we are going to consider it is unit of a physical quantity. In everyday life, whenever we go to market, we want to purchase certain things. For example, if we want to purchase fruits or etc., we measure its mass. If you want to purchase milk, we measure its volume. If you want to stitch clothes, then the tailor takes measurement of length. If we become ill, we go to doctor takes measurement of our body temperature. So there are various physical quantities which need to be measured. So why there is need for measurement in physics? In physics, we are going to study various phenomena. So to understand all these phenomena, we have to perform various experiments. And while doing experiments, we take various measurements to understand various physical properties like length, mass, time, temperature, pressure, etc. Also in physics, we are going to study various laws and theories. So for verification of these laws and theories, measurement of physical properties, it is essential. So what is exactly measurement means, that we have to consider here. So whenever we take measurement of any physical quantity, we compare an unknown quantity with a fixed quantity. So comparison of this unknown quantity with a fixed unit quantity, it is simply called as measurement of this a physical quantity. So what do you mean by physical quantity? So the any quantity which can be measured, which can be computed, or which can be described by a number, it is simply called as a physical quantity. In physics, we are going to study various physical quantities: length, mass, time, pressure, etc. So every physical quantity is associated with a unit here. So when we measure any physical quantity, the measurement consists of two parts. The first part in any measurement, it is simply a number, we called it as magnitude of that quantity, and second part, it indicates a standard, and this standard is called as unit of that physical quantity. For example, if we consider length of a table, if this measurement, it is suppose 3 meter. So this measurement, it contains two parts. The first part is 3, it is simply a number, we call it as magnitude. The second part, it is meter, it is simply a standard, and it is called as unit of that quantity. So that gives the simple definition for unit. So we define unit as a standard used for measurement of a physical quantity. Remember, standard is equal to unit. So there are various units in physics. All these units are not good units. So the unit, it should be easily available, it should be easily accepted, it should be accepted universally, not any part of a country. It should be easily available, it should be easily reproducible, it should be invariable. Remember, here variables means to change. The opposite of that, it is invariable, that is not to change, that is remain constant. The magnitude of this unit, it should always remain constant. The unit should be definite and well defined. The unit should be easily comparable with other similar units. Also, the important property of good unit, it is its size should not be too large or too small. Now we will consider MCQs related with this unit of a physical quantity. The first MCQ, comparison of unknown quantity with a fixed unit quantity. So it is simply called as measurement. So option B is the correct one. Second MCQ, the standard used to measure a physical quantity is called as. Now whenever we study measurement, we say that standard, it is equal to unit. So answer in this case, it is option B, unit. Third MCQ, the dash used for a measurement of a physical quantity is called unit of that quantity. So we have seen earlier, unit, it is simply a standard. So correct option here is option D, standard. The fourth one, measurement of a physical quantity required two things: first a number, and second dash dash. So we have seen earlier, measurement consists of two parts. First part, a number, we called it as a magnitude. Second part is the standard, we called it as a unit. So in this case, correct option is option A, standard. The next MCQ, fifth one, we are here given an example. Length of a book is 15 centimeter. Here 15 is. So already we have seen that whenever we take any measurement, it consists of two parts. First part, it is a number called as magnitude. Second part is a standard called as unit. Here 15 is given, so 15 is a simply number. So answer should be option C, magnitude. The weight of a person is 65 kg. Here kg is again the same, but here kg, it is a standard, we called it as a unit of that quantity. So option B, unit, is the correct answer. The standard unit should be, or sometimes the question may be asked, which of the following is a requirement of a standard unit? A, universally accepted, well defined, easily available, invariable. So all of these are the requirements of a standard unit. So option D, all of the above, it is the correct option. Which of the following is not a requirement of a good unit? It should be same for all quantities, it should be universally accepted, it should be well defined, it should be fixed with time and place. Now the first option, it should be like this, it should not be same for all quantities. And in the question we have asked which of the following is not a requirement. So option A, it is correct answer, or it is the not a requirement of a good unit. A physical quantity is a quantity which can, as we have seen in its definition, a physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured or which can be computed. So option B, be measured, it will be the correct answer here. The property of an object that can be measured with the measuring instrument is called as. So as we have seen in the definition of physical quantity, it is a quantity which can be measured by the measuring instrument. So the correct answer in this case, it is option B, physical quantity. Thank you very much. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.